Well, it's wonderful to have Ahmed Khan with us here in Bikaner. We've come all the way from Mumbai because his songs from Kick, that is Jumme Ki Raat, Hangover and Devil, have been doing exceptionally well. Outstanding choreography. Wonderful to have you first of all back on Bollywood Hungama, Ahmed, after a long time.
Thanks, Faridun.
And आप हंगामा कर रहे हैं हम लोग मुंबई से सिर्फ खास तौर पे आपसे मिलने के लिए. We've come all the way from Bikaner.
That's so sweet and thanks for कि फरीदू ने जो हमको मैसेज दिया है कि इन्होंने कि Devil song has also caught up very well. It was a great journey because I know the first question will be like Salman and I don't work too much.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's right. We haven't worked too much and एक दो बार try किया था तो it didn't work well.
Right.
उनका stardom इतना बड़ा है that you need to do something around his persona.
Right.
And maybe there was a little distance, though we are very good friends. Sohail and I are very good friends and everything. We are like, I've been to his house many times and directed a film with Sohail.
Right, exactly.
Then Arbaz was in my second film,
Right.
Full and Final. And the third only was left to work with Salman. And the whole credit goes to Sajid Nadiadwala.
Right.
Because he is the man who has made this happen. He pushed me first to get in. Then he told Salman that I want Ahmed to do the songs. What do you say? His intuition was right.
Right.
And he could see something कि ये दो लोग को अगर मिलाऊंगा मैं जिन्होंने कभी काम नहीं किया तो कुछ अलग काम मिलेगा.
बिल्कुल. Okay, you know, first song from Kick, because I think all the songs that they're working big time will come to Jumme Ki Raat, because जो पूरा ये जो step है, I think that Salman did at the promo launch as well. First look promo launch as well. I think you were there as well.
Yeah.
Now I think that has caught on like big time actually. I think Jacqueline is dancing. I spoke to Salman recently, Salman and Jacqueline, and both of them, they are thrilled with the response.
Yeah.
And it has become one of the biggest all-time songs as far as Hindi movies is concerned.
Thank you.
No, it's one of the it's called the most downloaded song ever actually.
Yeah, actually it's on. You know, जब हमने वो launch किया था गाना, before we started this song, Sajid Nadiadwala always told me that it should be Jumma Chumma.
Jumma Chumma.
Then Jumma Chumma coming from Mukul Anand, and when he shot that film Agnipath, that was a benchmark for everybody.
Absolutely.
हमने सोचा था कि चलो उस level तक या उसके आसपास पहुंच जाए तो बहुत बड़ी बात होगी.
Right.
But believe you me, जब हमने press launch किया and the entire press said it together,
Right.
कि I should not be saying that, they said कि it's outdone that song.
Yeah, that's what like yeah. I've seen that song.
Yeah, that became the biggest compliment to me in my 20 years of my career.
Right.
So I just feel कि जो रंगीला में हुआ था मेरे साथ,
Right.
there was a little buzz about Rangila and how it changed the scenario. I feel it's like deja vu for me.
Right.
So after 2 decades, I realized, oh, okay, it's done again.
No, absolutely. And you know, both Salman and Jacqueline, I think they are complementing each other wonderfully. If you talk about Salman, I think that, you know, his body language, the way he's walking and the entire dance move, and even this one, it has become iconic actually.
This, you know, actually it's more to do with even Mr. Khan, that it suits his personality. And ये ऐसा step है basically कि it can, even a girl can do it. It looks a little sensuous when a girl does this.
Right.
And when a guy does it, it looks like attitude. जिसको डांस नहीं आता है वो भी ये कर लेगा. Now सलमान खान ने जेब में डाल के हिला लिया है, बाइसेप्स को हिला लिया है, पीछे हिला लिया है, and 2-3 और ऐसा शर्ट को कर दिया सब. तो बचा क्या? तो I said ये कराते हैं. And if you see, it's not only this, he has danced.
No, absolutely, he has.
Throughout the song, उन्होंने जो भी steps किए हैं, and it's very quick. I've made him do a lyrical hip hop. I've made him do a bit of I can't say hip hop. Made him do a little urban hip hop. तो सब mix match किया है. Dubstep type feel लिया है बीच में. So it has worked. It looks like a man is dancing.
Right.
So whenever da 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 that he's doing, this he's doing.
Right.
So it looks like a man है जो दिन की रात है चुम्मे की बात, you know, Allah बचाए, you know, that all is done.
Right.
So it's worked big time in all aspects.
Yeah, absolutely. And Jacqueline, I think Jacqueline is dancing superbly. I think she's looking beautiful, and at the same time she has danced wonderfully well.
But don't trust me, she has shocked all of us.
Absolutely.
जब वो step हमने सोचा कि गाना जुम्मे की रात जो हो रहा है, उसमें we should put a little bit like Jacqueline का कुछ डालते हैं.
Right. It's a bit of a Latin in a way.
It's got Latin, it's got a bit of contemporary. Again, it's got a bit of funk in it.
Right.
तो उसको पूरा mix करके हमने बनाया. Believe you me, when I saw Jacqueline do it, I was like, Jacqueline, अगर shoot में if you do it this way, this is another song from our side, not a song, a music piece. एक गाना हमारा लत लग गई, बहुत बड़ा hit हो गया था.
Right.
So I said, Jacqueline, this can take you places, and I think so you can outdo many people.
Right.
And she did it, yeah. It was shocking. वो 1.5 मिनट का music piece है, जो अभी देखेंगे लोग when they see the full song.
Right.
It is outstanding. She's done outstanding.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.